Uyu niguo wira uria utumite ruhonge ruru rwa UN Habitat rutugiria mucii wa Nairobi na Ngavana Mike Sonko kuria thirikari ya Nairobi ikoretwo igitwarithia uhandi wa mahua na nyeki niguo kugacirithia mucii wa Nairobi na kuhambia ikiro. Ngavana Mike Sonko ni orite aikari kumunyita baru wira-ini uyu akiuga ndareka uu ni undu wake mwene no ni undu wa andu othe a Nairobi na aria maceraga mucii-ini uyu na oho akaheana mukana kurera maikunyitwo magithukangia wira uyu murute ni makuerwo ikinya ria kiwatho.
Stiffer measures of arresting whoever steps on this grass. It is all about seriousness and commitment. We can make Nairobi become the real green city in the sun.
Oho Sonko ni ongereire kuga ati hari na watho guthundurwo niguo ene nyumba ciothe guku Nairobi makorwo makihaka nyumba ciao rangi wa ngoikoni na rangi wa mahuti maria nimo marangi maria mahuthagirwo kaunti-ini ya Nairobi.
So Nairobians, once we introduce this important regulation or rather law of repainting our buildings, we expect all of you to comply, because we do not mean bad, or we don't mean to harass anyone. We just want to beautify our city, and this one cannot be done by Sonko alone.
Thirikari ya kaunti ni ongereire mabuba 1,000 maria matiganite na mita 100 niguo gutigirira andu matiranyagia giko. Ngiribotera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wanjiru wa Boro.